Pets are our friends, our family. We care for them with great affection. But because they can't speak, it's hard to know if they're sick or not. Sometimes we find their diseases too late. Now, not to worry anymore, because we have FitPet Ahead. Ahead is an innovative solution for pet health monitoring, designed to detect early signs of common health issues and prevent diseases in advance. With Ahead, checking your pet's health is super easy and fast. Coat the test strip with pet's urine, scan it with the FitPet app, and that's it! The results instantly come out and show you whether your furry friend has any serious health problems. Also, you can check potential diseases, main symptoms, and details about how to manage health issues. Moreover, you can track previous data with graphs and monitor your pet's health systematically. With Ahead, you can stay on top of your pet's health anytime, anywhere. One scan is all it takes to protect your beloved. Get Ahead today.